So alright guys, welcome back. So in this lecture, we will create a team model for displaying all these team members, maybe a CEO, founder and all those people. Start with making the team. Uh, since we don't have any complex functionalities in this team, the section, so we will not make a separate Django app for our team. So we already have this. So we have this pages app. So inside this pages, we will create our team model. All right. So let's make a class here. Class teams. Okay. Inside this teams, let's type in models dot model colon. Here, let's see what fields we need for our team model. First thing is we need an image. Let's open Notepad. We need photo, and we need the name. Maybe let's do it as first name, last name, and the designation. We need a Facebook link. We need a Twitter link. And need Google Plus link. And then we need a created date. Okay. So let's go to our code now. Let's see photo here. First name is models dot char field. Let's give it a max length of 255, max 255, and the last name, copy here, last name, and we need a designation equal to models dot char field max length equal to 55. We need photo is image, models dot image field, upload to photos. Then let's type in upload to photos slash %y slash %m slash %d. Okay, slash. So what this does is it will create a photos folder. Inside this, it will create a folder named current year, and it will create a folder named current month and current date. All right, and then the file name. The next thing is what else we need? We need Facebook link is models dot URL field equal to max length of 255. Maybe let's give it 100. Next we need a Twitter link equal to models dot URL field max length equal to 100, and Google Plus link equal to models dot URL field max length of 100. So last one is create date created date equal to models dot date time field auto now add equal to true. Okay, so now we have created our teams model. Now let's see what it looks like if we run this now. Okay, see, whenever we use this image field, or when we are working with photos and medias, we have to install a package called Pillow. So to do that, so let's install that first. To install it, just type in pip install Pillow. Alright, it is installed now. Now let's do a migration. Python manage.py make migrations. What this migrations does is that it will make all these changes to be ready for creating a database tables. So let's run that. Okay, as you can see, migrations for pages migrations. This 0001 underscore initial dot py has been created here. See, we have run the migrations. That's why it has created this file. Now, then let's run the migrate command. Python manage.py migrate. So when we hit enter now, it will create a database structure according to what fields we have given here. Just hit enter. Alright, our migration is done now. So if you go to admin again, okay, let's run the server. Python manage.py run server. So here you can notice we don't have our model showing up in this place. This is because we have not registered that model inside our admin.py file. We always have to register our model into the admin.py file. So come down here, admin.site.register, and inside this type in teams. That's our model name. Okay. So currently we don't have team imported here. Let's import it from the model from dot models import teams. Okay. So now we should be able to see the team inside our admin area. See. See what happened here is we can see double S here is because when we did a mistake when we naming our model. When we create a model, our class name should be team in the singular form. For example, when we create team model, it will automatically makes the name a plural. Got it? That's why it has added S here. So that's one thing. So let's go. Let's change that to team. So we have changed the model name here, and let's go to admin.py. Here also let's change it. Just remove S. Now go back to the window. Now we'll go back to the bash. Let's make migration. Manage.py. Whenever we change anything inside this model.py file, we have to run this make migration command. Make migration and migrate command also. Make migration. Did you rename the pages model? Yes. Alright, now let's run migrate python manage.py migrate. Okay. Alright, let's run the server python.py run server. So now let's refresh it. So now you can see test is removed. Okay, so it automatically made our the model name to the plural form. Now click on this teams. We don't have anything here, so let's create one. Type in Ratan Kumar and creative director facebook.com, Twitter and Google. So when you hit save, please correct the error. Okay, so let's put one photo. Okay, save. Alright, we have saved one object. See now, uh, you see there are two things to notice here. One is we are seeing only team object here. This is confusing. What if we get to see this first name, last name, then designation, created date? That would be awesome, right? Okay, we'll make that. And one more thing to notice is that go to photo. Currently, we are having this photo, right? When you click on this photo link, it is saying team ID with this does not exist. Perhaps it was deleted. This is because we have not set a media settings in our settings.py file. In Django, we have a special settings for media files. The only way to fix this image is by configuring our media settings inside our Django settings.py file. Okay, we'll do that in the next lecture, but before we close this lecture, we will fix this one. We don't want this team object to be shown here. For now, we just want to show our first name here. Let's go to our editor. Here, after created date, let's make a function f underscore underscore str underscore underscore and pass in self. Whenever we create a function inside a class, we must pass in self. Self is nothing but we are talking about this class, this team class. Alright, that's why we have to pass in this self. Just remember, whenever we are creating a function inside any class, we have to pass in self. That's all. Here, return self dot. We have to show the first name, self dot first name. That's all. Let's make we have changed the model now, so we have to make migrate. We have to do make migration python manage.py make migrations. That's okay if it has not detected any changes. Let's make sure we utilize all these commands. Python manage.py migrate. Okay, so now if you go back to this admin page, refresh it. Okay, I think we have, or is not python manage.py run server. Okay, refresh it now. Now you can see our my first name is showing here instead of the team object. This is a little bit readable. Okay, now get into this. You can see this. Alright, so in the next lecture we will configure our media settings. Okay, thank you.